I'm not going to swear, but I am going to kick this.
Day 2 of my weekend. I had goals, and I don't think I'm gonna make it. Like I said yesterday, people started showing up. Everybody wants to hang out, come talk, shoot the shit, yada yada. So it seems like the nicer the weather gets, the less chance I'm gonna have to work on my stuff. So I gotta take advantage of every moment.
Yeah, carpe the diem.
Seize the moment.
Seize the car.
So anyways, yesterday, by the time I got to the RX-7, it was late and the battery was completely dead. There's a short somewhere in this car and I cannot figure it out. Out of luck. Today, I'm gonna try to find a solution. I have an Optima battery kicking around for this car that doesn't need a battery right now. It's really a pain in the ass to get in and out of the RX-7. So for now, I'm gonna put the Sparco steering wheel back in it because it's got a quick release already. Makes it nice and easy to get in and out of the car. I left the Sparco shift knob in there so at least it'll match. At least I can drive it because right now the stock steering wheel is right up on my legs. It's hard to get in and out of the car. And with this deeper dish and the quick release, kind of solves all those problems. The dish pushes it up past my legs and the quick release allows me to get in and out of the car. So we'll do that. Then I'm gonna turn the back end of the car to face the door. So that way all the gases from the exhaust will fly out the door instead of filling up the shop and making everything stink, if I can get it started. If I get all that stuff done and the battery's still not charged, well then I'm gonna put it in the car. I'm gonna make sure all my little adapter thingies are good. Because I'm getting impatient about it, we'll probably just throw the booster pack and fire it up. Wish me luck. And hopefully by the time we're done doing that, the Optima will be charged. And now, to pull the stock wheel back out of the car. Okay, I feel dumb. I put this plate onto the steering wheel hub. I have no access to the bolt that holds the damn thing down, so I gotta take that apart. Come on. Done deal. Steering wheel's in. I'd love to find that little horn button though because that looks hideous. And now let's slide the car over a little bit. Okay, so something really cool just happened. I'm sitting here playing around with this battery, trying to get the damn thing to work right. It won't charge, nothing like that. Jessica comes home with a brand new battery for me. What an awesome girlfriend. What a saint. Now I'm gonna put in a brand new battery and we can start the car. That sucks. I'm feeling too.
Did it shock you? That's because you hit both positive and negative together?
Yeah, I didn't fucking cook all that computer and shit.
This thing doesn't have to be touched or nothing? You trying to start it?
Now what happened here is I was tightening the bolt on the negative terminal and I added this little piece to be able to charge the battery to have a quick connect plug. So the wrench hit that little extender piece and sort of slid off the bolt just enough to slide into the positive terminal, and I was tightening this, and because of this, it slipped off. Bang. Had no dash before, no nothing. I played around with a couple fuses, moved some stuff around, and now I got power on the inside. So let's see if this thing starts. Okay, here we go. Woo! It started. I am very relieved and very happy. So I'm gonna let it run for a while, warm up properly. Maybe we'll take it for a ride. And when it's warm, I'll show you guys the idle, what it sounds like when it idles normally. It's still pretty high, but it sounds better than that. Oh, she's back on that nice idle now. So before I do anything crazy or go for any rides, I'm gonna check over a few things and hope everything is good. Everything's good to go. All right, so let's get this thing moved over and back on the ground. Go out and get some fuel, i.e. test ride. I'll film it on my phone if anything goes wrong, and if not, I'll see you guys soon. Pray for me. So I went out for a ride to get some gas, met up with Jessie on the way. She was out getting groceries, and we decided to stop for some ice cream. So it worked out. Got to go for a ride, everything worked out fine. I broke down once. I should have been filming the whole time we went out for that ride, because turns out the problem is I have the same issue with my fuse box as I did last year. It shakes around a little bit, and I think one of the fuses on top come loose, and there's no cap on top, so I don't know which one it is. Couldn't tell you that. I stopped for gas. I mixed the oil in my fuel, which I should have showed you guys, but I didn't. We'll do that another time. Met up with Jessie for some ice cream. Technically, I got everything I wanted to get done this weekend, but I wanted to get it all done yesterday so I could work on the Acadian today. That didn't happen. This is like 2 weeks ago for you guys, because I always try to film ahead, keep kind of ahead of the game, so if anything happens, at least I have something for you. So not next week, but the week after, which would be almost present time when you're watching this, I'll be on vacation from work, so I'll be home doing my thing with the cars. Hopefully I have a whole bunch of things planned for then, have some fun. And tonight we're going to Jessie's parents for supper. So thank you guys for tuning in. Thanks for watching. It was fun, it was frustrating, but you know, we do what we can on the weekends. We do what we can when we can. I will see you guys later. Be happy. Don't stop chasing the dream.